friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would give you a quick peek of a shelf that I have decorated in my home office. You guys know I am a lover of black and white, but I do have a few pops of pink around my home, one of them being my home office. And today's video, I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by several wonderful ladies here on YouTube. And the host is Antoinette of Decorating Ant's Place, and her co-hosts are Shelly from Pretty Inspired Decor, Tammy of Glam Queen DIY, and Shelly and Soleil from My Style, My Colors. And it is the Spring Easter Pink vignette. So what the ladies asked us to do was decorate a particular area in our home in pink. So this is the area that I am going to show you today. Again, it's just a very small pop of pink in my home office, but I will start here with the candle that I picked up from BB. It smells oh so delicious, and it's called Love. And I have this little cup here, and I liked it because it looked old school. Whoops. It looked old school. It had the little pink glasses and the little pink polka dot at bottom, and I keep my pencils in there. Then I have this sign that's behind my dream sign. It says Paris is always a good idea, and it has a little bit of pink on the sides, and Paris is one of the places that I want to visit one day. And we have this little crystal cupcake with a little pink dot of icing. I think it's oh so cute. I picked that up from, I want to say, Home Goods several years ago. Then I have this white vase here back in the bottom, and I just have some pretty pink spring florals in the vase. I picked up this vase from Ross. It was $5.99. And of course, you know, I picked up the florals on clearance from Michael's, I believe. These are Japanese cherry blossoms. I just love the pale pink color. And then I have my little dream sign here, which always reminds me to never let go of my dreams and to dream big. And I always look at it when I need a reminder. And last but not least, this is supposed to be a spring Easter vignette with pops of pink. Well, this little bunny is one of my favorites. I absolutely love him because he is the Velveteen Rabbit. You guys, I told you I love whimsy, and the Velveteen Rabbit was one of the books that I fell in love with when I was young. I just loved the story of the little boy and his rabbit, and how he loved him oh so much when he was little, and then kind of forgot about him as he got older. And I don't know, it just reminds me of my childhood, and it reminds me of my grandchildren, and how one grandchild in particular has an animal that I gave her when she was an infant that she still carries around to this day. And I just love that she does that. She never goes anywhere without him, and his name is Gilbert. So Gilbert, if you're watching this video, Mimi is thinking about you. So this is the vignette that I have put together. Again, it's full of whimsy, and I just absolutely love it. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, even though it's a little bit outside the norm of what I normally do. I would like to thank the ladies for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun showing you the little vignette here in my office. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants, so you can go and check out all of their pink and Easter inspired decor. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.